Tonight, Central Ohioans are stepping up to help Texans during one of the worst natural disasters in that state. Right now, people and businesses are collecting supplies, and some are even preparing to travel to Texas themselves.
And many of them say they just couldn't sit back and watch these people suffer anymore alone. NBC4's Rob Sneed is joining us live. And Rob, for some, this is just the beginning of a massive effort.
Well, they certainly did. Tonight, they told me that they just keep asking themselves, what more can they give? These images are hard to watch as people in the Houston area continue to struggle. But Central Ohioans are stepping up to offer relief. Donnie Magnum and 4 of his friends are teaming up and heading down to Houston.
We're hearing that there's a lot of dangerous animals out. There's a lot of looters. There's also some security concerns about people going down there and hurting other people.
His boat and trailer are ready to go, and now he's still collecting donations to fund the trip. As he prepares, a local business is also stepping up. Fern, a convention and exposition contractor. The company's goal is to fill at least 1 semi-truck's worth of donated supplies like diapers, clothes, and other supplies.
If they each got a truck, we'd have great 8 trailer loads. That would be wonderful. These people are coming in with nothing. You know, some just the clothes on their back, others with maybe a bag.
The company also collected baby formula, non-perishable food, socks, and bottled water.
I can't even imagine how difficult the situation they're in. Really can't imagine it.
Both of these groups know they're making an effort to aid in a long road of recovery for the city of Houston, but the hope is to offer some relief to those in need. Now, as far as that gentleman going to Texas, he tells me if he does not collect all of the money needed, he says he will take whatever money that was donated to him and donate it to charity. In downtown Columbus, Rob Sneed, NBC4.
Thanks, Rob.